oftentimes find ourselves in a self-abusive relationship with our business. We can oftentimes find ourselves in a self-abusive relationship with our situation with money. So, one of the things that's important to do is to find help that can shine the light on these patterns that you were talking about. And not only shine the light on the patterns, and this is definitely something that I do with the people that I work with, the clients that I have all around the world. I shine the light on the patterns so that they get the awareness. But we also, in addition to shining the light on the patterns, want to kind of extract out of the pattern, what is the actual lesson I'm intending to teach myself here, right? And then consciously cut away the behaviors and the decision-making structures that we've set up to cope.